The first thing you'll want to do is go to a web browser and search for UNT Spark. Our website's the first link. Select the tab that corresponds to the item you want to place a hold on. I'll select AV because I want to put a hold on a bridge camera. I'll click Visual Collection. Above our catalog of items, you can find the loan period for an item. If it isn't listed here, it'll be under the circulation info. All bridge and action cameras are 4-day checkouts, while items like our mindfulness kits are available for 7 days. So I'll scroll down to the item of my choice and click Place a Hold. On this screen, you'll see how many items we have, where the item is located, and if it's been checked out. I'll click Request Pickup. I'll log in with my EUID and password. I'll click Confirm Item. Here, you will again choose which item you want and its corresponding location. Click Pickup Location. Now, click Submit Request. It can take a few days for a hold to get processed, so be sure to look out for an email. Some items like DSLRs can only be checked out with a booking, which is a separate process. Submit a hold today on our website.